All right, good morning, everyone. Please, can you hear me? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. If you can hear me or if you can see my screen, say hi. Yeah.
Yes, I can see your screen. I can hear you. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Go ahead, sir. What's your challenge?
Good morning.
Yeah.
Okay, I still don't understand this Bekenet Trading software of a app. It's still kind of confusing.
Okay, what's confusing about? What is it that is not clear? Like you can't comprehend?
Especially when signal is being dropped and how to place it on your trade.
How to place it, right?
Yes, how to place your trade.
Okay. In every industry, we have the pattern that is working for us. You understand? We don't do what others are doing. That's the more important. You need to go through the training, watch all our training video to understand what you are doing. If not, you'll be lost while people are making money. You understand? So it's a simple app that helps us to buy and sell. Tell us when to buy and sell. So once you tell us to buy and sell, once we see up move, down move, zero candle, and all that, we'll go to our inbuilt chart, just like let's look for one signal that we dropped. Let's look for any recent signal that we dropped. Let's say, for instance, this is can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's say this signal is coming from smash 100. The trend direction told us down move, numbers of candles 0, meaning that we are expected to sell.
That place is circle, that is the trend ID, right?
Yeah, trend direction. This is a trend direction. Yeah, okay. So the trend direction is telling us down move. Then numbers of candle is telling us 0. That means the trend direction just started. So we're expected to take a sell. That's just it. We're expected to take a sell. So once we've done that, we'll now move to this inbuilt chart. As you can see, this is an inbuilt chart. All these things you're seeing are support and resistance level. So this is where we use normally as our stop loss because we are selling. So our stop loss is supposed to be above any of those levels. Then our take profit is going to be here. So that's how we'll do it. So before we take our trade, we'll make sure that the price is not close to any resistance or any support. So as you can see, it was very, very free. It was very free from the support and very free from the resistance. So we have a lot to do, downward move. So that's why we took that trade. So the software is very, very simple. It's very, 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 very simple. If you can read and write, just like what I just showed you now. If you can read this, sorry, let me go back. If you can read this, if you know how to read ABC, the trend direction, down move, 0 candle, 1 or 2, that's the only thing you need to know. Every other thing.
Okay, but when it comes to candle, if there should be a number like that, like 1 candle, what does that signify?
We have a rule. Just stick to the rule. If you're seeing up move, make sure the numbers of candle is between 0, 1 or 2. If it's between 0, 1 or 2, you can take that trade. Up move means buy. Down move means sell. Yeah. Do you understand? Then you now look the numbers of candle must be in the range of 0, 1 or 2. So if you see up move and you see 1, you can buy. If you see 2, you can buy. If you see 0, you can buy. But if you see 3, price has gone far. You cannot take that trade again. Simple as ABC. Yes.
Okay, but you receive the alert once the signal is available. You receive it, then you check these details.
Yes, we have 2 forms of alert notification. We have the SMS alert. We have the device notification alert. So whichever one that works for you, you use it. So the SMS alert works only for Nigerian, Ghana, Cameroon, and South Africa. Then why the device notification is universal, so long you have internet services, you can use it. Why the device notification, we don't charge for that, it's free of charge. Why the SMS, we charge 20 naira per SMS. You understand? So that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Being that we can subscribe for the $50, that is a full month charge. How do we go about the pay as you go?
We have 2 forms of subscription. Number one, we have the what's it called? We have the monthly subscription where you have a whole lot of function that is going to help you improve on your trading skill. Then we have what we call the pay as you go. The pay as you go will only give you a signal.
Okay. The signal will drop on the app. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you
I
hear
can
me
hear
now?
you now. I can hear you now.
Yes. Okay, let me rephrase again. I said the full package has every
Yes.
function. Let me go to the app so that you can be saying this is the app. This is the full package. Everything here is for forex. Everything here for forex. Everything here is for synthetic. Everything here is for crypto. Crypto is free. You can be trading, you making money with crypto without nobody asking you to pay a dime. This is synthetic. This is forex. Then inside is your price alert. Everything you see here, these are tools that can enhance you to improve your skills on
Don't be
for
angry. Please,
forex.
can you move a bit back now? I missed a line.
Okay, let's go back. For the
Okay.
one I just showed you, where we got that signal from, this is the most accurate setup that we have here, which is Smash 100. That's what I recommend for any newbie, for any person that want to be consistent and get the same result you are seeing. That's automated. The system will help you analyze everything, then tell you when to buy, either up move or down move. That's what we do here. This same function is actually on the crypto, is actually on the synthetic. Why this place now? This place that you're saying, price alert indicator, has a whole lot of function that is going to help you, especially the sniper entry, overall trend direction, filtered neutral trend, sniper entry, 5 minute sniper entry, a whole lot of function that is going to improve on your training journey. But it is dedicated for professional traders. That's why you see me, I don't talk more about it, except for people who are pro traders that they still want to earn more money apart from using the Smash 100. You understand? So all these features are available for what? Monthly subscription. But for the pay as you go, you don't have anything. The pay as you go, this is where you get the pay as you go. You come to this place, which is daily subscription, click on it,
Okay.
click on pay as you go. It will load you to a page. Now, this is my own dashboard that you're seeing for my personal AI. I have won about 54 trades. I have lost about 19 trades. So it's going to record it for me by when it's giving me my stop loss and take profits. Everything is it will tell me by, it will give me my stop loss, it will give me my take profit. You understand? And if I win the trade, it's going to tell me that I've won the trade. That's how it is. The same thing with synthetic. Let me check my synthetic on. Look at my synthetic SL and take profit. Once you click it, you see everything. So I've won like 29 trades for synthetic. I've lost four stop loss it. So that's how it works. So it will give you your stop loss and take profit. Then you don't have access to all those functions I just showed you. Then this one will charge you $1.20 per SMS. On you must fund your wallet with a minimum of $12. It can be $30, $40. From there, we start debiting you. Simple as ABCD. Why the monthly subscription? Once you subscribe for monthly, you only have access to the software for 30 days. After that 30 days, you are done. You understand? So that's how it is. Okay?
Okay,
Yes.
fine. But I think synthetics is under forex as well.
Synthetic is different. Now, forex is different. Synthetic is different. You have a different broker that gives you synthetic instruments. Then you have a different broker that gives you forex instruments. That's all. So we use Deriv for synthetic. Then some of us use any other broker for forex. So the software has nothing to do with your broker. It has nothing to do with your account. It has nothing. It's just like a normal app. The purpose of the app is to help you analyze the market, when to buy and when to sell. Then you go to your MT5 and place that trade. Simple as ABCD. Okay?
Okay.
Is
I
it clear now?
understand now. Yeah, I
All right.
understand now. So I can just use but you can is it you can pay just the normal 1,000 $1.20 like now and receive just a normal alert that is a sell, not like a signal.
You don't pay $1.20. Okay, let me explain this thing to you. Are you a Nigerian?
Yes, I live in Nigeria,
Okay,
Anambra State, precisely.
you live in Anambra State. Okay, if you want to make call, what do you do? If you want to make
You
call to
recharge,
your
you
friend,
recharge,
you do what?
you recharge your line.
The same thing. Once you finish making that call, MTN will not charge you 30 naira from that your recharge. So the same thing with the pay as you go. If you want to use the pay as you go, you recharge your wallet or fund your wallet. You put that money there. Minimum you can put there is $12. Just the way the minimum card you can buy for MTN is 100 naira. Some people can
Yes.
put 10,000, some people can put 50,000, depending on your cost. So you can put $12 there, you can put $50,000, you can put $20,000. So any signal that comes from that place will debit you from that place $1.20. Simple as ABCD. Okay.
Okay, now I understand. Then you don't have to have access to all those Smash 100 and rest of it because it's
No,
not
no, you
the
don't have
monthly
access. You
subscription.
don't have access to all those Smash 100 because that Smash 100, we've built an AI. An AI is an artificial intelligence. Just the way I train normal people, I train my forex trader, those ones that are using the Smash 100. This is where to go to. This is where to go to. So we'll now train an AI, a personal AI that is assigned to any trader that is using pay as you go. Help this guy go to Smash 100. Check if there is a buy or a sell signal there. Once there is a buy or sell signal, move into the inbuilt chart. Check if this thing is close to a resistance and support. Give them their what's it called? Stop loss and take profit. Send the notification to them via SMS or device notification. They will paste it on your dashboard. So once you receive that notification, log in into your dashboard. Then you'll be able to see the stop loss and take profit. That's all. So the AI does the job for you. The reason why we built pay as you go, there are some persons who still don't understand how to look, how to read. Let me use that word, how to read. You understand? Or they are very, very busy, or they don't have that $50 to pay for 1 month. So we decided to
Yeah.
break everything down. With your $1.20, you will still receive the same SMS, but you are going to be limited, you understand, to some certain features that the software has. That's just it. On a recent, the monthly subscription is cheaper. You understand? Because there are sometimes the pay as you go can dispatch maybe 10 signal for you in a day. So imagine if you dispatch 10 signals about $10 something. The next day dispatch before you end up 1 month, you
Bones,
must
it's
have
more than
spent,
that.
yes, you must have spent more than that. So that's just the difference. That's
And
just the
and if
difference.
if if it's, if it's to say that you're a kind of a busy person, then you
Well,
when there's some signal that will enter now, you won't know when it comes. Then you don't have to trade
no.
it.
You can pause. You can pause your AI. You can instruct it not to send you notification again. You can send it not to look for any signal that you're very busy. You just go to AI control, you stop it. Once you stop it, nothing will happen again. So that's it. Until when you are
Okay.
less busy, then you program it again.
Okay.
So
Now
both of them has the downside and their good side. This
upside.
monthly subscription, you can't pause it. So it only lasts for 30 days, but you have a lot of things to do with it. You understand? Why the pay
Okay.
as you go, you control it. You can pause. Just the way you make call. If you do not make call with your MTN line, nobody will debit you. Nobody will move money. Your money will be there 3 years, 4 years. It's going to be there. So
Now,
that's
okay.
just
Now I understand. Okay, for the level where I am, I believe that the pay as you go can just help a lot. It can just help maybe with time when gather more funds. Then I will see how the monthly subscription goes.
okay. And it's not only the pay. The system will just tell you when to buy and when to sell. You have to use a specific lot size. We have a risk management lot size. So the way this trading is, even if Jesus Christ give you a signal and you don't know the right lot size to use, you end up blowing your account because any little
Yeah.
drawdown, you end up crashing the account. So we have a risk management software that will help you to calculate if you're using $30, $100, $50, $1,000, $20,000. You have a specific lot size to use. So we don't just
Okay.
use any random lot size. You
Okay.
understand?
That one too is also a different app, or is also the
No.
features in the app.
Everything is here. Look at it. This is your pay as you go. Look at it. Look
Okay.
at risk management calculator. Look at it. Risk
Okay.
management.
Okay. I've seen it.
You see
Some
it?
risk management FX.
Yeah. So once you click it, it's very simple. If you follow the rule, you're going to make money. You understand? If you follow the rule without being greedy, forget about what you're
Yes.
saying online. flipping account. We don't flip account here. We believe I'm a businessman, so any person that is using this app is supposed to follow what I'm doing. See Forex as a business. You're going to make money. If you have $5, $10, $20, your profit is supposed to be proportional to your account, not trying to flip your $500 to $10,000. It's not done. If you have $500 and you are making $50 every day, it's a win-win. It's a cool money. You understand? If you want more profit, add more money to your account. You understand? If you want to be making like $5,000, add like $50,000 to your account. You make cool money without stress. So this is the pips calculator. All you need to put your equity here. If it's $200, put it. It will give you the recommended lot size. No stress. Use 0.02. One position. It is okay. You understand? 0.02. With this now, if you're trading with this, you trade with rest of mind. We don't panic. I can be placing a trade and be discussing another thing. So long I already know that I'm using the proper risk management. Even if I hit stop loss, I am not going to, it's not going to affect me. Let's say, for instance, this is 0.02. I have $200. We are using 80 pips stop loss. If we hit 0.02, the highest I can lose here is $16. $16 will not affect my $200. I still have extra 100 and let's say 184 pips, $84 to trade. And the system with out of 10 trade, you'll be able to win like 7. So even if I lose 3, the remaining 7, I still have enough equity to trade it. So that's how we trade here. We don't flip account. We don't do that. We don't do all those. We don't stack. I can only stack because I have enough equity in my account. And so if anything is happening, it's not going to affect me. So if you want to stack, you should be having like $50,000 and above, $50,000 or $100,000, and then you apply proper risk management. You'll be fine. But if you're having anything less than 1,000 or 10,000, follow this rule. You'll be okay. You're going to be fine.
But when the signal drops, when the signal drops, late entry at times will scatter, will somehow spoil market for you. So is it when you have to do the risk management calculator before then, like the exact loss the lot size to use, then when the signal drop you can use it, or when the signal drops then you have to go out and do calculate the proper lot size?
Okay, now this is how it works. Lot size is fixed. If you have $200 in your account, $200 is $200 in your account. So if you wake up this morning, you're expecting a signal, go to the risk management, type your $200. If it show you 0.02, you have it at the back of your mind. Anytime signal come, I'm going to use 0.02. Simple as ABC. So your account will not change overnight. Now, if you have $200 now, 3 hours time is still your $200. So before you wake up, or once you wake up in the morning, check your lot size. This thing is very simple. Put your equity there. It will display your lot size that you're using. So you have it at the back of your mind. The system said I should use 0.02. Anytime there's a signal, you use it. So it's not every time that you get a signal, you rush to this place and do that. You can easily do that, but this thing is very simple. If as I wake up now, I want to trade, I'm expecting a signal, I just put my equity. My equity is 500. I calculate, I'll see that I can write it down somewhere. Today that I'm trading, I'm only going to use 0.05. Simple as ABCD. Do you understand it?
Yes, properly. Okay, but
Yes.
when you use pay as you go, will you have access to go and check the candle dashboard? That is that place that you showed me about if it's touching the resistance line and the support zone, something like that.
No, you don't have access now. The AI does all those things for you. The only thing the AI do is like to tell you to go and buy and sell. You don't have access to all those things because it's pay as you go. Okay? You don't have access to all those stuff.
Okay, it's fine. It's very well. Thank you very well, sir.
All right.
Okay,
So
I'll try my best.
any other question?
Just in
morning.
case any other question to ask, I will let you know.
All right. So mute your
Thank you
mic,
very
please.
Yeah, good morning.
Mute your mic. Mute your mic. All right. Any other question, please? Yeah,
Yes,
good
I have
morning,
a question.
Sir.
I
All right,
noticed that on the AI, it tells you the particular stop loss, take profit, and the entry point. On Smash 100, it Can you show me where on Smash 100 that will show you your take profit, how to set your take profit, your stop loss, and your entry point?
Okay, are you a subscriber? Have you subscribed?
Yes.
Uh-huh. We've explained all these things in the training now. So let's go to the app. This is the app. We explained all these things in the training. You must follow the rules for you to get the same result. So let's say, for instance, let's use any of those pair that we're still having. I'll go to Smash 100, click here. Okay. Are you seeing the screen, sir? Let's use which of the pair? Let's use New Zealand USD. Let's use this guy. Let's use this guy. So currently, we are currently holding this position. We are buying. We entered when it was zero candle. So when it was zero candle, it told us up move. Yes. Okay. So all we need to do, go to our inbuilt chart. There's what we call an inbuilt chart. If you must have watched the video, it shouldn't be a problem to you. Click here. If it's forex, the same thing, same principle that I'm going to show you now applies with synthetic, applies with crypto, applies with forex. So I'm going to click on this chart. I'll click it. Click on trading charts. It will load. So I'll now select that same pair that I got a signal from. Let's say New Zealand USD. I'll click it. I'll click load. Look at it. I'll click this load. I'll click on load. It's going to load its own chart for me. And then from this is the current chart of what's it called, New Zealand USD. You see something like this. The next thing, you click on settings. From settings, we'll plot our key level. The reason why we use key level is a price that has been tested for support and resistance previously. So once our price is close to all those levels, if it's really close to those levels, we don't take a trade. We can only take a trade, a buy, if there's a distance from where the candle is, the current candle is, to the next key level. But if it's close to that key level, we cannot take a trade. Just like I'm a tall person, and if I want to jump, I need to check very well if the roof of the ceiling is not really close to my head. If it's far from my head, then I can jump. But if it's really close to my head, I cannot do anything because I'm already close to the ceiling. Do you understand? The same thing if I want to jump from two-story building, I must check where I'm jumping down from. If the down is very far, then I will know how to position myself. But if I'm already close to the down, I cannot jump down. I cannot fall below that. That's the support and resistance that we're talking about. So let me plot this key level, which is, we always use the WL. You can use daily, you can use this one, you can use, but I prefer to use this. This is for the general week key level that is going to happen. So if I plot this now, I'll see a line. I'll see a different line. Now, this line, this is supposed to be our take profits. You understand? This is supposed to be our take profit, but price has not got into that. Now, before we took that trade, the candle was there because we had that trade for about 3 days. So it was this candle that we used about 3 days or so. It was this candle we got our signal from, this other candle here. So it told us to buy from here. Then as it told us to buy, our stop loss is supposed to be below this resistance level, this support level. Under this support level, that's where we use our stop loss. You have to be the one to generate it yourself, because we don't put our stop loss inside the free zone. We don't put our stop loss inside the free zone, because all those places, price will definitely get to all those levels. Price will get to all those levels that we're talking about. So we put our stop loss in a place where the price has been rejected before. Now, if you look at it, here is our stop loss. Price has rejected this level before, so we are heading to the top. And before we took that trade, it told us to buy. There's a space from here to the top here. That's why you're able to see that after 2 days, the candle moved up to this side. So if we get to this place now and the price refuses to break this zone, we'll close our trade. So we're using here as our take profit. But the way I'm saying it, price is going to test it and break it, but it's not a guarantee yet. So that's how it is. So how do we use it to use our stop loss and take profit? Now we are buying. Our stop loss is supposed to be outside this free zone. From here to here is a free zone. So our stop loss is going to be outside it, most especially outside this red line. So if we are selling to, our stop loss is supposed to be above this resistance level. So how do you get the price for this? Just tap it. You see it, resistance 1, tap it, resistance 2, tap it, you see the price, tap it, support 1. You see support 2, support 3. So you be the one to generate it yourself. Simple as what? ABCD. Is it understood, sir? Is that understood, sir? Hello, are you there? Are you there? Do you understood, sir?
It's understood. It's understood.
All right, so practice it, and apply proper risk management. You're going to be very fine. You're going to make money irrespective of your equity. If you're having $100, $200, let your profit be proportional to your account. Don't be greedy. Don't overload the account. You understand? We have countless experience of all these things. That's why we decided to bring out risk management. So it's not everybody that can apply risk management. If you do this, and if you are using a spare money to trade, without you go and borrow money, just use this little one that you have, grow it from there. You're going to be fine. The way the country is now, we have a dollar is 1.6. If you're making $2, $5 is equivalent to your equity you're using, because before you can make $5, that means you are using 0.01. So that means your equity is less than $50 or so. It's going to be fine. So there's no need to panic or do a whole lot of stuff to blow your account. So if you trade properly, you're going to make money every week. Is a guarantee for you. If you follow the rules, you're going to make money every week without you flipping your account. Forget about flipping. If you flip today, next tomorrow you might blow the account. So we don't do flipping here. We trade the right way, so that at the end of the month you'll be able to say that I traded this month, to this is the money I made. $30, I made $20 is extra to you, because you still be having extra job you're doing. Before you know, with time, as time goes on, you have enough equity, then you can quit whatever job you're doing and focus on the forest of a thing. So that's how it is. So any other question on this? Any other question? I believe you understand everything I just said now. So any other question? Any other question, please?
No, I have a different question. Can I come in?
Yes, go ahead. His
Okay,
question and answer. Yeah.
Okay, the crypto one, the crypto software, is it the same one for forex?
Yes, the crypto is different now. Everything works with Smash 100. So if you've watched the training video, you understand crypto. Look, this is crypto. It's free. You don't need to pay anything. So
is it the same software? Is it the same Bekenet software, or you have another software for crypto?
It's the same software. Look at it. Are you seeing my screen? This is crypto. This is synthetic. This is for forex.
Wow. Okay.
So once you sign up, you have access to this. So once you click it, watch the training video, join their Telegram channel. There's a video for there. Watch it on how to use the software for crypto. Then you start making money from it. So you can use Bybit. If you're using Bybit, you make good money from it. But if you're using Deriv, you need to have a lot of equity before you be able to make good profit from it. So that's it. You understand? The same principle. Everything.
Okay. The same principle.
Applies the same thing. Yeah.
Okay, excuse me. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, go on. Yes, go ahead,
Okay.
sir.
Going about crypto. You say that it's free. So even do you have to subscribe to receive a signal on crypto?
Okay, this is how crypto work. Let's go to the platform for crypto. Okay, let's go there. Let's click crypto. Now you see this point here. From here to here, this is exactly what you need. From here to here, this is. Are you saying it? Smash 100 and your input chart. Smash 100. You go there. You see up move, down move, 0 candle, 1 or 2. Inbuilt chart is to help you filter out the trade if it's close to a resistance or support and get your what's it called, stop loss and take profit. Why this one you're seeing here, this signal service you're seeing here, comes from SMS notification, and we cannot give you something for free at the same time still be paying for you for SMS. It's not done. You understand? So if you want to be receiving SMS, you have to fund your wallet so that you can program it in such a way. If you are seeing 0 candle, 1 or 2, you receive SMS alert on that. But without this SMS alert, without this one here, you will be fine. This one is free. This is the most important thing. You go in there, get your signal, and you place your trade. But if you want to automate everything, then you activate your SMS platform. You have to pay MTN for that. We will not be the one to help you pay for MTN. Do you understand? But without the SMS alert, you are going to be fine. Do you understand?
Now I missed a line, right? So the crypto smash 100 and the charts.
Yes.
That is when you subscribe. You have to subscribe.
You don't, sir. We have 3 portal here. We have the forex portal, we have the synthetic portal, we have the crypto portal. The forex portal, you pay $50 to have access to it. The synthetic, you pay $50 to have access to it. Why the crypto, you don't need to pay a dime. You know, they pay 1 naira to access them. Just sign up. Once you sign up, you have access to it. Is that understood?
Okay. Going about the receiving the signal. Okay, then you have to go to the signal alert, right?
Sir, understand me. Crypto, you don't need to pay any money to do that. For
I
you to have
understand that
access to
side now.
crypto. But if you want to be receiving alert notification, then you have to fund your SMS wallet so that you can be paying MTN from there, 20 naira per SMS.
Okay, so that
Yes.
the wallet is different. The crypto wallet is different from the one that you fund for your forex.
Oh my
That is
God.
that's the
Crypto
SMS
does not
fund.
crypto does not have wallets. What we are, if each platform has what SMS wallet where you can be debit. Let me show you my own balance. I'll come here, I'll click here, set SMS. I'll click here, check my balance. Let me see if I still have money on crypto because it's been long I did that. 2, 3, 4. Let's see. This is my balance, $1.20. This balance has nothing to do with me getting a signal. You understand? This balance is the money I'm paying to MTN because I'm using MTN line. So anytime I program this app to look for signal from me from that Smash 100, it will look for signal from me from that Smash 100 and send it via SMS to my line. And once it send it via SMS to my line, MTN will charge me from this account 20 naira per SMS. And from that synthetic, you don't really need SMS alert for you to generate signal. You can go directly to the Smash 100 and look at it with your Kuru eye. Up move, down move, 0 candle, 1 or 2. Except if you want to automate it, you want to make it automated so that you can be receiving alert. That is where you need this guy. Do you understand? That's where you need to pay this guy. Without this, you can still be functioning well. Is that understood?
Very well understood. Well understood. Yes.
All
Okay.
right.
I understand.
For the SMS alert for the MTN, how much do we pay? Is it, can we pay the $1,000 or how? What's the list?
No, SMS is cheap now. SMS which it will charge 0.14 cent. That 0.14 cent is just 20 naira per SMS.
Okay. So how do we
Yes,
now fund our SMS?
let me show you my own SMS. Where is Bekenet? Let me show you something. Where is Bekenet? I can't see Bekenet here. Where is? Hold on. Okay, look at it. I've seen it. So look at it. You see all these SMS that is coming to my phone. They charge me 20 naira per SMS. All these SMS that is coming in. Are you saying it? They charge me
All right,
20
yes.
naira per SMS. So if look at it, it's written pop and plain here. Look at it. Hello, Bekedemo Joseph. You are connected to Bekenet SMS server. Each SMS costs 0.14 cents. Do you understand? 0.14 cents. That's what all the SMS cost. You can decide to use the app without notification. You are still going to function well. The only thing is that you're expected to be going into the app every one hour to check if there is 0 candle, 1 or 2. But if you're a very busy person, just program the app. Whenever the system sees 0, 1 or 2 candle, it will notify you via SMS or device notification. Simple as ABCD. Is that understood?
Okay.
Yes.
Now, how do you now fund this SMS alert?
There is a training video for that. Today is not for training. It's very simple. We have countless training video for that. And once you subscribe, if you still don't understand, we'll give you a personal one-on-one training. We have our YouTube channel. You can go to our YouTube channel. This is it. We have a lot of, I believe day before yesterday, I did one-on-one training for somebody and I uploaded it. Look at it. You can go to my YouTube channel. It's here. Everything that I talked about that you need to know, you go and watch it there. It's on the YouTube channel. Countless training videos, a lot of video that is going to help you is on the YouTube channel. You can watch it. Once you consume all these things, you'll be trading the way we are trading and be making money without stress. Everything is there on the YouTube channel. So that's just it. Okay? It's as simple as
One more
Fine.
question.
Thank you very much, sir.
So
But
any
excuse
other question, please.
one last question. One last question now
Where is
before I
the
leave.
to start?
All right.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
What's the
The
mistake
last
we need
question.
to start with?
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, the last question is now using the pay as you go. When you receive a signal, will you also see zero candle 0.01 candle, or you have to use the full subscription? That's the $50 subscription.
Sir, I thought you've explained this thing before. Okay, now carry out a pen. Monthly subscription has to do with zero candle 1 or 2. Pay as you go has nothing to do with zero candle 1 or 2. Pay as you go will only give you stop loss and take profits. Pay as you go has a different platform entirely. Pay as you go is a different platform entirely. It's an AI. The AI will tell you, buy, this is your stop loss, this is your take profit. That's the only thing you have with the app. The only business you have there is to copy your stop loss and take profit. Why the monthly subscription? You have all the functions, all the access to all the functions. So don't misinterpret them. Pay as you go. You don't have access to the app. Let me use that word. You don't have access to the app. Your only business is to go there, copy your stop loss and take profit, and place your trade. Do you understand it?
Very
Is it
well
clear
now.
now?
Yes, very well.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. All right.
God bless.
All right, sir.
Hello, good day, sir.
Yeah. Good day. Yeah.
In this crypto, what's the required equity to trade with Bekenet software?
Required equity. Sincerely speaking, because I don't normally trade crypto that much, my interest is not there because the returns there is very, very small. You understand? So I just, with the derivative, you can use any amount. You can use any amount. Just use the lowest lot size. But the lowest lot size is not going to make sense to you.
Okay.
That's just it. So only when I get this kind of equation, I'll tell them, get Bybit, learn how to use Bybit. You understand? Learn how to use Bybit. They have YouTube videos and all that. So you'll be able to make good returns with that.
Thank
you
you so
understand?
much for the answer.
But for me, I don't really. My Bybit has not been verified, and the return is very, very small. So my interest is not there. You understand? But everything is working the way it's supposed to work. You understand? So that's it. The only pair I normally trade most times is BTC. You understand? BTC is there, so I can use maybe 0.01 or 0.02. I'll still make a good return. But apart from that, any other pairs there, you need enough capital to trade on it. So that's just it. So just do your research. Is either you're using Deriv or you're using Bybit, whichever one that is good for you. Then apply proper risk management. You're going to be fine. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Is that understood, sir? Yeah. So please speak up. Today is for question and answer. Please speak up. Speak up if you have any challenge or something you don't understand.
Good morning, sir.
Please ask. Yeah, good morning.
Okay. So my question is that I have I subscribe for full subscription. So I used to see when going through the PS Smart 100 or Smart 200 now. At times I will see zero candle or one or two, but we not see the other side. You see down move, then you see up move and down move. It used to confuse me. So can someone take such and at times when we see no direction and it's still zero candle between 0, 1, 2.
Okay, very good. You ask the question. Let me ask you a simple question. When you subscribe, please mute your mic so that I will not echo. Okay, when you subscribe, did you watch the training video? Answer me yes or no. Did you watch the training video to the end? Unmute your mic and answer me so that I will know where the challenge is.
Okay, yes, I watched the video, all the video.
Okay, that means you did not understand it. So let me take you back to the way it is now. So mute your mic so that we'll go to the inbuilt chat. Is it Forex? It's Forex now, right?
It's Forex.
Okay, mute your mic. Now let's go to the app. It's very simple. It's not a rocket science, okay? The thing have logged me out. Let me log in and show you what exactly you need to focus on. Okay. Hold on, let me log in. So I have logged in now. So I'll go to Smash 100. I'll click on Smash. Let's use any pair, for instance. Let's look for any pair. Let's use those ones that we know they are already moving already. So I click this. So now your focus, the only thing that should be running in your head, like I said, leave all these guys. You see the way I'm canceling all this. So delete all those information from your head. You see the way I'm canceling all these things. What you should focus on is just 1, 2, and 3. Are you following me, Ma? If you are following me, say yes. Or mute yourself. Say
Yes,
yes.
I'm following you, sir. I'm following you.
Or mute yourself. Now, this is how it works. Number 1 and number 2 must align together. Number 1 is a signal. Number 2 is a trend direction. They must align together. So if number 1 is telling us sell zone, sell zone, and number 2 must tell us down. Number 2 must tell us down move. That's the first strategy we're using. Number 1 must tell us sell zone. Number 2 must tell us down move. And you must see it spelled like this, sell zone. Sell, you can write it down so that if you're seeing it, you compare the words. Sometimes you see selling zone. Sometimes you see sell zone. What you expected to see from number 1 is sell zone or buy zone. So write it down, either sell zone or buy zone. Then number 2 is what you need to confirm that sell zone or buy zone. So if number 1 is telling you sell zone, number 2 is supposed to tell you down move. So you combine number 1 and number 2. Number 3 is not important when you are combining 1 and 2. Do you understand? When you're combining 1 and 2, which is the signal and the trend direction. Are you following me, Ma?
Following you, sir. I'm following you, sir.
All right. So mute your mic. So you must combine 1 and 2 for the signal services. You must combine these two for the signal service. Whereby you come to this place, you are seeing what? Waiting for signal. Then you now have to switch to 2 and 3. That is the most common one we use. So 2 and 3 that's the only thing you need to look out for. If 2 and 3 is telling us, if 2 is telling us down move, and there's no signal at the top here, 2 is telling us down move. The next thing our eye should go to is 3. What is the candle saying? It should be 0, 1, or 2. Every other thing does not matter. Every other thing you're seeing again does not count. You must focus either down move or up move, 0, 1, or 2. If you're seeing none, if the trend direction is telling you none, none means nothing now. You don't have any direction. You are not expected to do anything. Up move means buy, down move means sell. Then you now combine it with the candle. Is it showing 0, 1, or 2? If it's showing 0, 1, or 2, then you can take the trade. Go to your inbuilt chart and look for if it's close to a resistance and support. If it's not close to a resistance and support, then you generate your stop loss and take profit from there. Is that understood, Ma?
Yes, I understand, sir.
Okay,
One more thing.
So speak to it.
Okay, sir, I understand now. One more thing
Do
is
you
that
know how
I
to
don't
generate
get
your
to
stop loss and
generate.
take profit?
I don't used to get to generate take profit because when I go to inbuilt charts,
Yes.
I will now click on where to generate. It's not clicking. It's not clicking when I click it.
Now mute your mic. The system does not generate for you. Now the purpose of that key level is to show us where price has rejected before. So we're only taking advantage of those key level. Now let's go to the key level. Let's go there. Okay. We're only taking advantage of those things because you are not expected to put your stop loss in a random position. You must put your stop loss in a place where price has been rejected before. So it can be a support, it can be a resistance. So how do you see this support and resistance? That is where the inbuilt chart comes into play. So once you get your signal, let's say we got our signal for a sell, let's use that euro. You come here, click on this chart, click here. Once you click here, I'll select that euro odd. Where is it again? Euro odds supposed to be around here. Okay, look at it. Then I'll click load. You click load, you see the name appearing here. You click here, click this guy, click WL. Once you click WL, you see what? A key level that is going to apply. Currently, we are still going to hold this trade because our target is this level. But once we enter the new week, like next week, all this key level will change. But I definitely know that there's going to be a space. That is why we're holding this trade. So as the system told us to sell, there's a distance from this place to this level. So that is why we took that sell. There's a distance, but if it's very close to any level, we are not going to take that sell. So how do we put our stop loss or take profit? Our stop loss has to be above what a resistance. Our stop loss has to be above this level here. That's why you see our stop loss is always high, maybe 60 to 80 pips. That's the reason for that. And that's the reason why we hardly hit stop loss back to back. Maybe if we're hitting stop loss maybe 2-3 times, then the remaining ones are winning. So you must put your stop loss in the right place. Your stop loss has to be above this level. Your take profit has to be here. Do you understand? Your take profit has to be the next level where price is heading to. So you must follow the rule. We don't put our stop loss inside what a resistance, inside a free zone. We don't do that. We don't just put our stop loss because mute yourself before you talk. Okay, let's say for instance this thing is selling, we just come and put our stop loss here using tight stop loss. We don't do that. If you do that, you'll hit SL. At the end of the day, the price will still drop. You'll bite your finger. So it's better to put your stop loss in a place where the market has rejected. If you look at this place, price rejected this level and it's coming down, came back and you want to drop again. So our SL has to be above this level. Simple as ABC. So let your stop loss be above a resistance or below a support. Simple as that. So how do you get the price? Just tap it. You see the price. Tap it. You see the price. Tap. 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 Simple as that. So let me know if you understand what I just explained now.
I understand.
Okay, so you practice it. I'm still going to upload this video so that you practice it. Practice it very well. If you follow it, you're going to be fine. Even if you're hitting stop loss, it's not going to be back to back. You must be your winning must be above your loss. So that's it. So any other question?
One more thing. Just one more thing. What is the criteria for somebody that wants to go for mini fund?
Okay, mini loan. Okay, now the mini loan is just to assist people who don't really have enough capital. How does it work? You must have a monthly subscription running, and you must be able to hold your own personal account, be it $50, $100. Hold it for 30 days and use proper risk management. Everything you need is already there. Hold it for 30 days for proper risk management. So the reason for that is that if you can handle your own account for 30 days, then we can give you a loan of $50 or $100. Then you add it to your own account. It's not everybody. Will pick the best out of the best. The person that applied the best risk management will give him that money. Just one person. Once you give you that money, then at the end of the month, you use it to trade. The next month, use it to trade. Any profit you realize, you keep it to yourself because the system is working. So we are not afraid of giving you our capital. The only thing we're afraid of, are you going to use proper risk management on your own account? So if you can use proper risk management on your own account for 30 days, we can top up your account for you by sending you money to your account. Then you fund your wallet. Once you fund your wallet, your forex broker, you start trading with the software again. When you start trading with the software, at the end of another 30 days, you keep your profit, withdraw our capital to us so that we can use it to fund another person. So we are just starting it now, little by little, we'll get to $1,000 and we can be funding a whole lot of persons. So we want to build people who can use proper risk management. We are not talking about strategy again because the software will give you strategy to buy and sell. Now, we want to build you so that you can apply proper risk management. That's the essence of that loan. Is that understand? So before you be able to be qualified, because there are other people in the line that are trading the right way they are supposed to trade, use proper risk management. At the end of the month, upload your login and password into my FS books. Google my FS book, log in there. So through that place, you're going to see all your trading history, how you traded, if you're aggressive and all that. Everything is going to display there. So once it display there, we can ascertain the best guy that want to give our loan. Simple as that. Okay. You don't need to pay
thank
anything
you,
back.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question again? Please feel free to ask your question. This is your opportunity to ask anything you want to know, anything that is confusing you in the app. Ask your question. If you're using the app, you are not making money, ask your question so that we can guide you, direct you on what to do. Okay. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, dude. I'm waiting for you. If not that question, we'll call it a day now. Please, we've answered a whole lot of questions today. Ask your question if you have any question.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
All right, I want to ask a question. I'm new to your platform. My question is, if I subscribe to the 1 month plan, is the Bekenet software sending me signals with stop loss and take profit, or I'll be the one to go and generate the stop loss and the take profit manually?
Okay. Now, this software, before all this signal and everything, the software is a manual app. Please mute your mic. It's a manual app. Okay. Do you understand? Monthly subscription, you'll be the one to go into the app and look for what your up move, down move, zero candle, and go to your inbuilt chart, just like what I just explained now. Check if it's close to resistance and support, and what's it called, blah blah blah. Put your take profit and all that. Now, pay as you go is the only AI in the platform. We only have one AI. That AI, we built it in such a way that it will repeat the same exact thing that will teach you manually. They will be the one to generate your stop loss and take profit for you and send it to you. So that's a different package entirely. It is not on a monthly subscription. But if you're going for the monthly subscription, you'll be the one to go into the app, check for up move, down move yourself. Once you see up move, down move yourself, then you can go into the inbuilt chart and generate your stop loss and take profit from there. So once you've done that, you can now start automating those smash 100 and program the app in such a way. Once it sees that up move or down move, it will send you SMS alert and to notify you that this pair is currently in up move, zero candle, 1 or 2. Then you be the one to confirm it on the app, then go to your inbuilt chart, generate your stop loss and take profits. Simple as ABCD. But if you want the package that can do everything for you, which is we call the pay as you go, you fund your wallet with a minimum of $12, any amount you want to fund. Then you program the pair that you want the AI to look for signal for you. The AI will now go to that smash 100, look for up move, down move, zero candle, 1 or 2, and generate a stop loss and take profit and send it to you. Finish Gasikia. So that's how it works. Okay.
Right. Okay, I understand it now. But because I want to subscribe. So how long will I learn this process while my subscription is on?
Sir, if you can read and write, if you can read and write, in less than 5 minutes you should comprehend it. If you can read and write in 5 minutes, in 5 minutes you'll be fine. Now let me take you to the training. Look at it now. If we're doing forex, let's go to forex. If we're going forex, the only thing I need to look at for this swing trade, this is where I need to go to. The same rules apply for smash 100, crypto, and synthetic. So if you can read and write and you can comprehend something as a human being, you shouldn't have a problem. So I'm going to click on this now. The only thing I need to look out for, they are just, let me select any of this there. Look at it. It's not a rocket science. All the problem has been solved and broken it down into little things. Now, can you read this? This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Can you see it?
Sure, definitely.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, now, in this Smash 100, we have 2 forms of setup. We have the one we combine 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is the signal and trend direction. We combine 1 and 2. So in the signal, in 1, now listen, in 1, we're expected to see sell zone or buy zone. We're expected to see sell zone or buy zone. So if we see sell zone in number 1, we'll combine it with what 2 is saying. 2 is saying down move. So we can take a sell. If we're seeing a sell zone in 1 and we're seeing down move in 2, it means that the market is going to drop. The next thing, we'll go to our inbuilt chart to check if that price is close to a support or a resistance. Then we'll generate our stop loss and take profit from that. If that is clear. The second, if we are not seeing anything like buy zone here for number 1 or sell zone, we'll now scale down to 2 plus 3. We'll now add 2 and 3 to get our signal. 2 and 3 simply means that we are going to look at the trend direction, either up move or down move. The numbers of candle, these numbers of candles should be between 0, 1, and 2. Simple as ABCD. Every other thing, you don't need it. This is the only thing that you need here. Is it difficult? What I just showed you now.
No, it's clear. It's clear.
That's exactly what you need to do. Simple as ABCD. We have a training video for that. We'll talk more
All right.
about
So
it.
on the chart, is it an hourly candle you're using, or a weekly candle, or a daily candle? To
Is it an
comprehend this
hourly
chart.
candle? I don't understand.
Now, for this, I saw candle numbers. The candle number, is it per hours or 4 hours or 30 minutes?
No, it's not what's it called? It's not the original candle you normally use. Is that 0 candle just mean 1 hour? Another candle means another hour. Another candle means another hour. So if as the hours move, the candle keeps updating. Do you understand? That's how it works. So that one shouldn't be your problem. The only thing you need to know is that what is the number of the candle? Is it between the specific range, which is 0, 1, or 2? If it's between the specific range, you can take a trade. But anything above 2, you don't have any business with that pair. Set for another opportunity. Simple as ABCD.
All right. Awesome. It's 100% clear.
All right,
It's
very
100%
good. So
clear.
you see, it's not difficult. It's just for you to practice and watch the video very well and apply it. So it's very
No,
simple.
definitely.
In less than
Yeah,
3 minutes, you've understood it. Okay.
yeah,
So that's
definitely.
it.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
So any other question? I'm getting
Hello, sir.
exhausted now. Yes, go ahead.
I can't find the app on my Play Store.
How long have you been with us?
I attend the last training now.
If you
The last
attend the last
Sunday
training,
training.
if you attend the last training, I specifically said that the app is not on Play Store. App no day Play Store. App no day Apple Store. You hear and now. If you want the app, is on each of the Telegram channel. You can chat me directly. You get the app. It's not on Play Store for some certain
Okay.
reasons. It is not on Play
Okay.
Store. Yes.
Okay.
If you want the app, you chat me up. I'll send you the app. Install it on your phone. If you're using iPhone, we have a video for that on how you're going to install as ABCD. Simple as
All right.
ABCD. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions before we call it a day? All right. I can see there's no more question. Any other question? Just drop it on your various Telegram groups so that we can attend to you. Any other question, please? If you're just coming in now, this is not a training. We are just here to get your feedback, know where you're having challenges, and help you to fix it. Okay, we are not doing any training today. We just want to get where you're having problem and then help you sort it out once and for all. So if you're having any challenge or you don't understand what we are doing here, because if you don't understand, you're just going to be looking why people are making money. You're just going to be looking. So you need to understand what you are doing and ask us how it's done. Then we'll be able to help you out and explain it for you. Do you understand? So that's how it is. So if you have any problem or you still don't understand it, please ask your question. But if no other question, I'll call it a day. Okay, I can see there's no more question now, so we'll call it a day now. So if you have any other challenge, drop it on the various Telegram channel. We have the crypto platform. You can drop your question there. We have the pay as you go. You can drop your question there. We have the sniper entry. Drop your question there. It can be attended to. Why this one that I'm using for the live streaming, you can't send message there. That's my own personal Telegram channel. So the rest, you can do anything you want to do there, but don't post adverts there. If I see any advert, I'll delete it. You understand? So if you have any question, drop your question. If no more question, I think we are done for today. So thank you very much for coming out. Thank you guys. So we are done for today.